Welcome to YouTube and welcome back to Auto Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest, most exciting automotive news, reviews, and in-depth insights. Today, we're diving into one of the freshest and most stylish electric hatchbacks to hit the streets, the 2025 Peugeot 208 Electric. If you've been keeping an eye on the rise of electric vehicles and are in the market for something compact, chic, and efficient, this one's worth your attention. So, let's get right into it. The Peugeot 208 has been a well-loved model in Europe for years, known for its sharp design, agile handling, and urban-friendly size. Now, with the 2025 electric version, Peugeot has taken everything great about the 208 and given it an eco-friendly, zero-emissions heart. From the outside, the new 208 Electric keeps its signature bold styling but with a few updates that make it even more eye-catching. Up front, you'll notice the redesigned grille, which seamlessly integrates with the body-colored panels, a design cue that signifies its electric identity. The signature 3-claw LED daytime running lights look sharper than ever, giving the car a futuristic and aggressive front profile. Moving to the side, the 2025 208 Electric sits on sleek, aerodynamically optimized alloy wheels, specifically designed to improve efficiency and reduce drag. Subtle AE badging on the body lets you know you're looking at the electric variant, while the dynamic lines and sculpted panels maintain that sporty, urban-ready appeal Peugeot's hatchbacks are famous for. Under the hood, or rather beneath the floor, the 2025 Peugeot 208 Electric houses a 54 kWh battery pack paired with a new generation electric motor delivering around 156 horsepower. That's a noticeable bump from the previous model's output, giving the car brisk acceleration and responsive performance, especially in city driving conditions. The torque delivery is instant, making it a joy to zip through traffic and navigate tight city streets. Peugeot claims a 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, time of around 8.1 seconds, which is respectable for a car in this segment. When it comes to range, the upgraded battery ensures you get up to 250 miles, around 400 kilometers, on a single charge, depending on driving conditions and usage. It supports fast charging, allowing you to juice up from 20% to 80% in just about 25 minutes when connected to a 100 kW DC charger. For home charging, a standard wall box will top it up overnight, making it super convenient for daily commutes and weekend getaways alike. Inside, the 2025 208 Electric feels every bit as modern as it looks. Peugeot's iCockpit layout returns, featuring a compact steering wheel, a fully digital 3D instrument cluster, and a 10-inch central touchscreen infotainment system. The cabin is dressed in high-quality materials, with soft touch surfaces, customizable ambient lighting, and supportive seats that offer both style and comfort. There's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless smartphone charging, and an improved sound system to keep you connected and entertained.